Locked out of your Bybit account because you can't remember your password? Don't panic, we've all been there. This video will walk you through resetting your Bybit password in just a few easy steps. First, head over to the Bybit login page. You'll see the fields for your email or phone number and password. Since you've forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link located just below the password field. Click on it. You'll now be directed to the password reset page. Here, you'll need to enter the email address or phone number that is associated with your Bybit account. Make sure you enter it correctly, and then click on the confirm button. Bybit will now send a verification code to your registered email address or phone number. Check your inbox or messages and copy the verification code that you received. Then, return to the password reset page and paste or manually type the verification code into the designated field. Once you've entered the verification code, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong and secure password that you haven't used before. Type your new password into the new password field, and then retype it into the confirm password field to make sure they match. After confirming your new password, click on the confirm button. You should then see a confirmation message stating that your password has been successfully reset. Great! Now you can return to the Bybit login page and sign in with your newly reset password. And that's it. You're back in business. If you encounter any issues during the process, don't hesitate to visit Bybit's help center or contact their customer support team for assistance. Now you can continue trading on Bybit. Happy trading!